Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to tell you how you get the augmentation inside of Subnautica 2 that allows you to actually eat the local wildlife once you crash land on the planet. And the simple answer is you need another one of those augments like the one you got at the very start of the game that allowed you not to die of the insane air pressure here on this planet. So if you're leaving the escape pod, just look for this giant tree in the distance, it's sort of to the northeast, and head straight for it. You're not going to go all the way there, it's a little bit out of our range. But what you want is past this giant debris chunk, and you're looking for this little sort of glowing, almost jellyfish-like angel structure. It's an angel growth pod thing, and when you drive up to it, you can touch it, and that will evolve you so that you can eat the local wildlife. You'll also be able to come down here and you'll find the black box for Anita, who somehow caused this thing to grow and give us the augment to actually eat things. And then that's it. Now you can eat all of the local wildlife to your heart's content. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.